Good morning. Welcome to my class. Yes, my dear students, what we have learned in the previous video? Yes, in the previous video, you learnt about the subtraction of two-digit number without borrowing, right? Yes, so first it's a time to revise what we have learned in the previous class by doing these two problems. Are you ready to do? Yes, let's start our today's class. So come to the first problem. So it is 36 minus 12. Okay, come to the ones place. It is 6 minus 2. Yes children, what is 6 minus 2? In the number 6, you have to subtract 2. Look here, 1, 2. After removing 2, we left with 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. So write here 4. The next 3 minus 1 is what is 3 minus 1? In 3 you have to subtract 1. How many fingers are left here? Only 2 fingers. So write here 2. So which is our difference? The 24 is our difference. So now come to the second problem. It is 98 minus 4. Okay. Yes, first you have to subtract the digits in the ones place. Yes, what are the digits are there? 8 and 4, right? So 8 minus 4. What is 8 minus 4? 8 minus 4 is? It is 4. So write here 4. The next, come to the tens column. 9 minus 0. Yes, what is 9 minus 0? The 9 minus 0 is 9 itself. It is the first property of subtraction. Right? So write here 9. So which is our difference? So 94 is our difference. Yes, my dear students, so this is about our previous class. So now come to our today's a new concept. Yes, my dear, in this class I will teach you about the subtraction of two-digit number with borrowing. Children, so come to our today's concept. Already you know the subtraction of two-digit number with borrowing. So here come to the first problem. It is subtract 47 from 94. So children, so here you have to subtract the number 47 from 94. 94ರಿಂದ ನೀವು 47ನ ಕಳಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Okay na? So now I am writing this by using a symbol of subtraction minus. Yes, in this 2, which is the big one? 94 means minus. So I am writing the 94 at first. Next minus. Later write down the 47. So it is 94 minus 47 is equals to. You have to find out the difference. The next step is arrange the given numbers in the separate columns of ones and tens. Children, so here already I arrange in the separate columns of ones and the tens. Yes. So next step is you have to subtract the digits in the ones place. Yes. 4 minus 7. Children, what is 4 minus 7? Is it possible to subtract? Okay, so look here. Here is a 4. I am writing 4 lines. In that you have to strike out 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is another 3 lines? Is there extra 3 lines? No, right? So we cannot subtract these two digits. So here 4, it is less than 7. Because 7 is a bigger number compared to 4, right? So we cannot subtract. It is not possible to subtract. So what can we do? So you have to take a borrow from its next place. Yes children, in the previous class already I told about borrowing. Yes, so borrowing means taking something from someone. So in subtraction we are taking numbers as a borrow. So here 4 will borrow 110 from tens column. Okay. So here is a 4. So 10 plus this 4. What is 10 plus 4? It is 14. After giving borrow, this 9 becomes 8. Okay. Yes, now 14 minus 7. Yes, what is 14 minus 7? Yes, 14 is a big number. We can easily solve it. Yes, we don't have a 14 fingers. We have only a 10 fingers, right? How can you subtract this? Can you draw a 14 lines? It takes more time. So look here. So 14 is a big number. Leave it. Come to the small one. 7. So 7 after you have to count forward till you reach the bigger number. Okay, then you are getting its difference. Yes, already you learnt about in the previous video means subtraction by counting forward method, right? So now you have to use that method. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here total I use 7 fingers. So 14 minus 7, it is also a 7. The next, come to the tens column. Now it is not 9, it is 8. 8 minus 4. What is 8 minus 4? So in 8 you have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many fingers are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4, it is also 4. Children, what is our difference? 47 is our difference. So write here 47. Okay. So now come to the second problem. Children, this is the second problem. Subtract 16 from 35. Okay. So first, which number are you writing? The mighty end means the 35. We are going to subtract the number 16 from 35, right? So write down the 35 at first. The next, write this 16. You have to find out the difference. So next you have to arrange this in a separate columns of ones and tens. Next children, in the ones place, what are the digits are there? It's 5 and 6, right? What is 5 minus 6? 5 minus 6, it is not possible to subtract, right? So you have to take a borrow from its next place value. Yes, here 5 will borrow 110 from tens place number. Okay. So 110 is nothing but 10 ones. Already you know that, right? So write here 10 plus this 5. Is what is 10 plus 5? 10 plus 5 it is 15. So after giving borrow, this 3 tens becomes 2 tens. Okay. It's now 15 minus 6. Is what is 15 minus 6? Yes. So you have to start to count from the number 6. Okay. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So children, here I use total 9 fingers, right? So 15 minus 6 is also 9. Come to the next place, that is tens, right? So here is a 2 minus 1. Is what is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1. So write here 1. So what is the difference? Here the 19 is the difference. So write here 19. Is it clear? Now I will go to the third problem. Children, come to the third problem. It is subtract 28 from 56. Okay. So which number are you writing at first? Yes, it is 56. So write here 56 minus 28. Okay. So you have to find out the difference between these two numbers. Okay. So now you have to write these two numbers in separate columns of ones and tens. Children, come to the ones column. So in the ones column, the given digits are 6 minus 8. Yes, what is 6 minus 8? 6 minus 8, it is not possible to subtract because 6, it is less than 8. Okay, so it is not possible to subtract. So you have to take a borrow from tens column. So here 6 will borrow 110 from tens column. So already you know 110 is nothing but 10 ones. So 10 plus this 6. So 10 plus 6 is 16. After giving borrow, this 5 tens becomes 4. Right? Yes, now 16 minus 8 is what is 16 minus 8? So after 8, you have to start to count till you reach the number 16. Okay? So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here I use total how many fingers? 8 fingers. So 16 minus 8 is also 8. So now come to the tens column. It is 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 itself. So write here 2. Yes, what is our difference? 28 is our difference. Okay. Children, now I will go to the next problem. Children, come to the last problem. It is 90 minus 54. Okay, here already they wrote in by using the symbol of minus. They didn't give in a sentence wise. So, and also already I arranged in a separate columns of ones and tens. Okay. Yes, children, come to the ones column. It is 0 minus 4. Yes, what is 0 minus 4? 0 minus 4, is it possible to subtract? It is not possible to subtract because 0, it is less than 4. In 0, we cannot subtract the number 4. So, you have to take a borrow. Okay? Yes, here 0 will borrow 110 from tens column. Yes, 110 is nothing but 10 ones. Right? So, it is just a 10 plus 0. 10 plus 0 is again 10 itself. Yes, after giving borrow, this 9 tens becomes 8 tens. Okay? Yes, now 10 minus 4. So, in 10, you have to subtract 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many fingers are left here after removing 4? Yes, 5 and this 1. Total 6. So 10 minus 4 is also 6. So now 8 minus 5. Yes, what is 8 minus 5? In that number 8, you have to subtract 5. Yes, look here. This is 8, right? In that, I am subtracting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers are left here? Total 3. So write here 3. Yes, children, what is our difference? It is 36. So write here 36. Okay. Yes, children. So this is about the subtraction of two-digit number with borrowing. Okay. So here in every problem we are taking borrow from tens column. Right? So that is a borrowing. Okay, my dear one. So now I will give some problems about this concept. So all of you pen down.
Children, solve these 9 problems in your assignment and send photocopy without
My dear
missing.
students, so in this class you learned about the subtraction of two-digit number with borrowing. Okay, about that concept you learn some problems, right? Yes, my dear students, I hope you all enjoyed this class. In the next class, I will meet with a new concept. Okay, students, bye.